my class. So today we'll discuss function of statistics. In the previous classes, we have already discussed the meaning of statistics, both in singular sense as well as in plural sense. Statistics simply mean when facts are expressed in the form of number, or when the facts are expressed in the form of quantitative data, that is called statistics. So statistics performs several functions. So here we'll discuss some of the function of statistics. The first function of a statistic is that the statistical data is the presentation of facts in a definite form. So the first function is that presentation of facts in a definite form. When the facts are presented in the definite form, when the facts are presented in the statistical data, then it is very, very easy to comprehend. It is easy to understand, and that is why let us see that facts is to be represented in the form of statistics. If somebody said that thousands of people died in the accident, that is not a statistics. But if somebody says that 100% are died in the accident, that is a statistics. So if suppose if we say that the population of India is very large, that is not a statistics. If we say the population of India according to the census of 2011, it was 121.02 crore. This is the statistics. So statistics represents the facts in the definite form. The second function of statistics is help in understanding economic problem. So economic problem is the problem of making choices. So suppose you take the example of the production, the economic problems such as the problem of production, that what goods are to be produced, how much quantities are to be produced, or let us see how the goods are to be produced, which technologies are to be used, and how the produced goods are to be distributed, how the national income is to be distributed among the factors of production. So these problems can be solved. This problem could be understood only by the use of statistics. The statistics help us to understand other problems such as the problem of unemployment, the problem of poverty, the problem of income inequalities, the problem of inflation. So different problems could be understood with the help of statistics. Another one is statistics help in condensing mass data in a few numerical measures. Let us see mass of the data. It is very, very difficult to remember and to memorize mass of the data, but it is very easy if the data are summarized in a numerical form. Suppose it is very difficult to remember the income of the all the people of a country, but it is very easy to remember the per capita income of a country. If suppose this per capita income is calculated dividing total national income or the national income by the total population. So if per capita income is calculated and presented in the form of a statistical data, then it will be easy to understand, and it will be easy to comprehend, and it will be easy for an economist to make the analysis. So this is a statistics, function of a statistics. Statistics, let us see, establishes a relation between factors. So it establishes relation between factors. Various factors are there, and that factors are interconnected to each other. You take the example of consumption is the function of income. If income increases, consumption also increases. The statistical data are there that this is the income. If income increases, consumption also increases. Let us see, there is an inverse relation between price and quantity demand. If the price will decrease, quantity demand will increase. If the statistical data are available, if the data are presented, and then we can make the analysis and we can come to the conclusion that yes, there is a direct relation, there is a an indirect relation between price and quantity demand. There is a direct relation between price and quantity supply. Producer will produce more at high prices, they will produce less at low prices. So a statistical data establishes relation between the variables, then help in formulation of plans and policies. So the future plan of the production, future plan of anything can be made, future plan of development can be made, can be estimated on the basis of a statistical data. So a statistical data help to the government, help to the industrialist, help to the businessman to formulate the to make the plans and to formulate the policy. If the suppose government know that how many population of our country are below the poverty line, then government can formulate the policies. If government know that what is the total number of unemployment in our country, then government can formulate the policy for unemployment. If the government know that how many children are malnourished, then government can make the policies. So it means statistics help government to make the plan and formulate the policies. Then statistics help in making comparison. With the help of the statistics, we can make the comparison. You take the example, the population of our country, the total population of India, according to the population census of 2001, it was 102.70 crore, and according to the census 2011, it was 121.02 crore. It means, let us see, statistics help us to know and make the comparison of the population between these period, and we can come to know whether the population has increases or whether the population has decreases. If we know, suppose the literacy rate of India according to the census 2011, it was 74%. Out of 74%, how many males were literate, how many females were literate? That could be analyzed only with the help of statistics. There it is given the literacy rate of India 2011, it was 74%, and male literacy was 82.1%, female literacy was 65.5%. It means, let us see, the female literacy was less than the male literacy. It can be known only by the statistics, only by the statistical data. So statistical data, let us see, facilitate us to make the comparison, help us to make the comparison between the two variables. And let us see, the helpful in forecasting. So with the help of the statistical data, we can make the prediction, we can make the forecasting. Let us see, producer can make the forecasting. Suppose the farmers, they can predict if the monsoon is good in this year, then they can predict that in coming year the monsoon will be good. If the prices of the commodity is good, then they can predict, yes, coming year the prices will be good coming year. If the prices of the goods is high of a particular commodity, then producer will think, yes, the coming year also the prices will be high, and they will take the decision of the production. So statistics help the producers. Suppose the prices of the commodity is high for last 3-4 years, then the producer, they will think, yes, coming year also the prices will be high, and they will produce the goods and they will keep the stock to sell in the future. So I think the function of statistics is clear to all of you. Okay, thank you.